Welcome to the best picks. The best Derma Blender is probably one of the most revolutionary tools to hit the makeup scene in years. It promises a flawless, airbrushed finish, and today, we're diving deep to see if it lives up to the hype. We'll explore its unique features, how it works, and whether it's a worthwhile addition to your makeup arsenal. Get ready to discover if this beauty blender is the secret to your perfect complexion. Number 5. BEAKEY Makeup Sponge Set 5-Pack. This makeup sponge feels like a marshmallow, incredibly soft. It keeps its shape and quickly bounces back after being squeezed. It's perfect for a flawless finish. The sponge has tiny, even pores that don't soak up too much makeup. This means you get great coverage while saving your cosmetics. It's a win-win. With its classic teardrop shape, the round side helps apply makeup quickly, and the pointed tip is great for detailed work. You can easily achieve even coverage all around your face. This makeup blender is made without latex, so it won't irritate your skin. It's suitable for all skin types and hasn't been tested on animals. It's all about cruelty-free beauty. Get professional quality results without spending a fortune. This makeup sponge meets the standards of professional makeup artists but is available at an affordable price. What we like? This sponge is incredibly soft, providing a luxurious feel during application. Its fine pores ensure minimal product absorption, saving you money on makeup. If you're looking for an affordable option that doesn't compromise on quality, you should definitely consider this. What people say. They blend foundation, concealer, and even cream blush really smoothly without leaving streaks or soaking up too much product. They also clean up well. I wash them regularly and they hold their shape with no tearing or crumbling. They work so well and are so soft. They allow makeup to apply so easily. Number 4. Aesthetica Cosmetics Makeup Sponge Blender. This makeup sponge is perfect for applying all kinds of makeup, from powders to creams and liquids. It provides a flawless, edgeless application, helping you achieve a beautiful look every day. It's designed to make your makeup routine easier and more effective. The rounded end is ideal for blending on your cheeks, while the tip helps cover imperfections. The flat edge is perfect for contouring around your nose and eyes. It helps you get a smooth, airbrushed finish. Made from non-latex foam, this sponge is 100% vegan and cruelty-free. It's easy to use and clean, making it great for both beginners and professionals. It's a simple way to improve your beauty routine. This sponge is designed for maximum coverage without any edges. It works with foundation, blush, primers, and powders. It's also easy to clean with mild soap and water. Use it wet or dry, depending on your preference. Gently dab the sponge into your makeup and bounce it across your skin for a natural, flawless look. It offers minimal absorption and maximum coverage, designed to last. What we like? This sponge offers edgeless design for seamless coverage, perfect for all makeup types. It's easy to clean, making it a great choice for both beginners and professionals. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-maintain sponge, this is the one for you. What people say. It blends the makeup out evenly and beautifully to where it almost looks like your makeup was airbrushed on. One of the best beauty sponges, firm enough and still soft and bouncy, leaves a beautiful finish and does not absorb a lot of product. It's soft, latex-free, and vegan, and it didn't soak up too much product. Number 3. Dermablend Loose Setting Powder for Light, Medium and Tan Skin. This is a versatile face powder makeup and finishing powder. It is designed to set your makeup for all-day wear. It helps to create a flawless look. The powder is designed to provide a long-lasting finish. It helps to keep your makeup in place, reducing the need for touch-ups. It is perfect for those with busy schedules. This setting powder is available in a range of shades. It is suitable for various skin tones, from light to tan. It provides a natural look. Use it as a face powder makeup to set your foundation. It also works as a finishing powder to create a smooth, airbrushed effect. It is a must-have in your makeup routine. With this powder, you can achieve a flawless complexion. It minimizes the appearance of pores and imperfections. It leaves your skin looking smooth and radiant. What we like? This powder provides a long-lasting wear, keeping your makeup in place all day. It effectively controls oil, ensuring a fresh look. If you have oily skin or need a setting powder that lasts, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It blends beautifully and stays in place throughout the day without fading or caking. Perfect powder that locks my makeup in place all day and filters shine even in humid conditions. The ultra-fine, weightless texture gives a soft matte finish without caking. It sets my makeup perfectly, without leaving any residue or texture behind. Number 2. Dermablend Cover Crème Foundation and Hydrating Concealer. Introducing a foundation that provides maximum coverage. This product effectively conceals imperfections, giving you a flawless look. This hydrating cream concealer is designed to target dark circles and blemishes. It helps to create a smooth and even skin tone. This full coverage makeup is suitable for all skin types. It provides a natural finish while effectively covering any imperfections. The product includes a mineral sunscreen with SPF 30. It helps to protect your skin from harmful sun rays. This product comes in a 1-ounce container. It is a long-lasting makeup solution for everyday use. What we like. This cream foundation provides full coverage while hydrating your skin. It also includes SPF 30 for sun protection. If you need maximum coverage with added skincare benefits, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It covers everything from brown spots to hyperpigmentation. Incredible full coverage foundation that works well with challenging conditions like eczema. It has sunscreen in it even. Number 1. Beautyblender Pro Blender Makeup Sponge. This award-winning sponge doubles in size when wet. It absorbs minimal product, ensuring your makeup goes on your face, not the sponge. Bounce and blend for a flawless finish. The Beautyblender Pro is perfect for darker shades of makeup. The large rounded surface allows for quick application, while the tip offers precision. It's ideal for anyone on the go. This sponge is safe for your skin, made with non-toxic dyes. It can last up to 6 months with proper use. Plus, it's cruelty-free, vegan, and made in the USA. The Beautyblender gives you a fresh, flawless look, just like professional tools. It's great for contouring, highlighting, and concealing. The Pro Sponge comes in classic black. It might shed dye the first few times, but this doesn't affect your skin. Just squeeze out the excess water, and you're good to go. What we like. This sponge provides a smooth blend, ensuring a flawless finish. It's perfect for various makeup products and is made with high-quality, skin-safe materials. If you like a professional-grade sponge that delivers a streak-free application, you should consider this. What people say. It makes makeup application so seamless and helps you blend perfectly. When it's dampened, the material expands and becomes incredibly plush, allowing for a flawless blend without any harsh lines or streaks. The edgeless design makes a big difference when blending makeup. There are no harsh edges, so the sponge glides smoothly across the skin, creating an airbrushed, seamless finish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.